Hi y'all, welcome to my channel. My name is Carla Frankie and today I have a organize and declutter fridge video for you. As you can see, I just have stuff scattered. I don't really have a method, and I do know I want to keep my leftovers up top because you see them and then you eat them. So that's what I've heard at least. And so I'm just showing you guys how it is right now. Nothing spectacular. And then we'll get started with the cleaning and wiping everything down. First I'll take everything out and then I'll wipe everything down. But I do plan on doing like a little declutter or organize series as well. So stay tuned for more. So after taking everything out, I actually like to place them in laundry baskets. That way I can keep everything contained, like all the condiments. And then I was using our other basket, so that's why I didn't have another one. But that's what I like to do. And then after this, I like to just wipe everything down. I do have this Lysol hydrogen peroxide, which I did not like at all. The smell was just weird and I just didn't like it. I was trying to stay away from like the bleach and stuff, but I just could not stand it. I had to use it all up. I didn't want to waste it. So I used it up as much as I could and threw it away finally after I finished it. But just FYI, if you're wondering, I personally just did not like it. I did end up using the magic eraser for some of the fridge because it was little black stains that I had on there. So I did use it and I did get it off. Then I just started to wash all the clear containers that I had, and then the drawers, which were a pain in the butt because they are big and my sink is not big. So next time I'll just probably wipe them down. But everything else wasn't that dirty, just a nice clean is what it needed. So after drying them off, I am just showing y'all the few containers that I have. The egg one, the square one, the longer one, and then the white one, which I do end up using the white one versus the mesh looking one, which is the applesauce one that you see. Just telling y'all that I end up using the white one instead. And then I have this Capri Sun little container box as well that I didn't show before. But those are pretty much the only containers I had. And then I got the egg one, which just makes it look nicer. And it holds the 18 count. And since we don't have a deli drawer with this refrigerator, I had seen that someone placed like their deli and cheese in a drawer. So I decided I'm going to do that. It is a lot of small items, so this kind of contains it much better than having it scattered around, which is what we had before. So if you guys don't have a deli drawer, I would really recommend this. I put the cheese sticks, deli cheese, cream cheese, that kind of stuff, and it really has helped a lot. Okay y'all, so now that this side of the fridge is done, as you can see I have the leftovers up top with some vegetables, that way we can eat them, and then in the middle I have the milk products and juices, and then the bottom, like I told you before, those deli items and the limes, tomatoes, that kind of stuff in the other drawer. So on this side of the fridge, I decided to do the items that we use the most, like barbecue sauce, ketchup, mayo, pickles on top, and then just organize like butter on the next one, and then the least used items on the very bottom. Okay, y'all, so here is a full overview of my refrigerator. It is all done. Like I said earlier, here are the tomatoes, limes, jalapenos, and all the cheeses, deli meat right here, which I love this idea. Definitely recommend, guys. And like I said, here are the mostly used items that we use the most. And then butter, jellies. That salsa was falling off there, so I actually ended up switching the butter and the salsa, and it did fit better. And then those condiments we don't use too often, but we still like to use them.
We go together like misery likes company, but we'll be getting there somehow.
So that just about wraps up my video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it and got some inspiration for organizing and decluttering your fridge. If you do like these type of videos, please click that like button and subscribe to my channel, and there will be more of organizing and decluttering in the future. Thanks for watching. Bye.
The story of us and how we never look back. 'Cause this is our time, this is our life.